Hey everyone, Lee with LBV Fishing. So I am out at the Sac River today. I am near the washout. I'm going to be using sardines to try to catch some striped bass because I heard they're running with the salmon. It's kind of hot right now and the meat-eating bees are buzzing around me. I've already been stung twice, so hopefully the rest of the day goes well. I'm going to stop my video right here just so I can summarize my striper fishing trip. I didn't catch anything at the end of the day. However, Dave was fortunate enough to catch a little stripe bass. After we were done with this, I ended up heading to the Pine Creek area just to do some pike, minnow, and bluegill fishing for fun. Whew, finally, got a little fighter. And he swallowed the hook. I got you. There you go. Got one so far. Whoa, this is a fighter. Woo! What? There's a pike minnow. Yeah. Nah, it's a pike minnow. Yeah. It's a little pike minnow. Yeah, a little fight in him. Have you guys seen these before?
No, never. It looks like trout wow, but it's not, huh?
It's a pike minnow.
Pike minnow?
Yeah.
I got a floater over there.
Yeah.
Oh, no, not the beast! Not the beast! Ah! Open my eyes! Eyes!
Cast and release?
Yep.
A few moments later.
It's a miss again. Whew. Yeah, you guys too. Another pike minnow. Look at that. Whew. Man, those little guys give a more of a fight than trouts. Woo! The bait's still on. Ow, ow. Come on, come on, come on, stop moving. Oh, there he goes. Oh yeah. What is this? Another pike minnow. These things give a heck of a fight. Oh, his lip just tore. He's alright, guys. It's right there. Spin away.